This is a 1926 Willys Knight. It's a four-door sedan, blue with black fenders, black trim. It has a six-cylinder engine. You can see this one really got a national first prize. So, and I love the hood ornament on these, radiator cap. It's true to the name, Willys Knight. We've got a knight there. Evidently there were two engines. I think this was the 178 cubic inch one with 53 horsepower. There was a Great 6 with 60 horsepower, so not an awful lot of difference. Wooden spoke wheels. Pinstriping. Very wide running board, and the interior is very deluxe. This happens to be at the Classic Car Museum, St. Augustine. This is a classy car. Just look at the upholstery. It's a little dark because, again, it's the interior of a museum, but you get an idea how the dashboard is kind of recessed. Three ovals there. One of them, I think, probably be the ignition switch. And there's the tail light, and the gas tank is right to the right of that, and the spare. It has a little Willys Knight medallion there. No question that the gas tanks were fairly vulnerable in these old cars. Right there in the back. A little bit of a bumper to help protect them, and the spare in this case might afford a little protection. Notice that thing on the window, the sill there is the, I think, the lever to open the door. It's a nice car.